Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Hi everyone, it's JansCrazyLife. So I am just doing a project share. I was taking a picture, but let me show you what I have made. So I made some thank you cards, and they're all identical. And so what they look like is it's these hearts in the background. It says thank you. On the inside it says thank you, and then back here it just says handmade by JansCrazyLife 2018. So I made 4 of those, and they're all identical. So cute. And then I also made this cute bird flip book. We were doing one word for friends, and the live and our word was birds that Helen picked, Helen Lewis. So here is my flip book. And if you guys ever get one of these, remember to open it, take off the strings so it can do what it needs to do. So I'm going to pull the strings out, and then how cute. So it says, if you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. And then when you open it up, it says, wherever there is birds, there's hope. And then up here it says, the bird is powered by its own life and by its own motivation. And then it flips down like this, and it says, faith is the bird that feels the light when the dawn is still dark. Up here it says, because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a lot more. And when you open it, it opens like this. And so this one says, intelligence and ambition is a bird without wings. And then this one says, the bird that dares to fall is the bird that learns to fly. And then it says, go where your dreams take you. And then this one says, it's impossible to explain creativity. It's like asking a bird, how do you fly? You just do it. And then over here, it says, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. And then everything you ever wanted is on the other side of fear. And that is super cute. And then it has an opening back here that I'm going to add a tag to that I didn't yet. And then back here it says, when it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. And there is a bird on the back. And then I'll put that back together. And the last thing is Yo Lady Ramos is doing a, you guys, there's still time to sign up. I will link her video below. She's doing a pocket letter swap. These are going to go in a pocket letter. So she's asking that you send 9 of the exact same cards in a pocket letter to her, identical. So let me zoom in a little bit so you can see they're all the same. And it just says summer. And then I put some glossy accents on the drink to make it look like it's wet. How cute is that? So they're all exactly the same because she wants them to be identical. I will link that video below. And so that is my quick project share, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm also going to be having a video up in a little while that shows how to put some pages in the Halloween altered book. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it now. I'm doing a swap for a Halloween altered book. And subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
That brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do.